Good morning. So, a lot of students who try to do calculus-based kinematics and are using integration to find velocity and then displacement. They start with A, which is acceleration, then go to V, and then they go to the position. I think the confusion is when the time interval is given, from t is equal to 1 seconds to t is equal to 3 seconds. How do you use that? So if you look into the integration, one is obviously you straight, away integrate and you get some expression and you write plus constant. Now remember that, that constant of integration is used when you don't know the time interval. So you write it as plus c after integrating. But if you know the time interval in which you're calculating the change in position, right? So the change in position has to be calculated from t is equal to 1, body is at some place, to t is equal to 3, the body is at some other place. What you have to find is the difference. At t is equal to 3, for example, you were at 50 meters, and at t is equal to 1, you were at 40 meters. Now the difference is 50 minus 40. Now the technique used in integration to find the change in position, change in quantities, over a time interval or interval of any physical quantity is called as definite integration. So you calculate your integration in the normal manner, then you put the time interval, on top of it. So you have to put first the upper time interval, which is t is equal to 3 in the expression you got after integration, and then subtract the you know the value which you get when you put the lower interval. So you have to see the upper part of the interval is 3 seconds and the lower part is 1 second. So what you have to do is calculate the value of the expression at t is equal to 3 seconds, then at t is equal to 1 seconds, and subtract the two. That will tell you how much is a difference in the position. So you have to calculate x3 minus x1, where 3 and 1 represents time. So just look into the solution, pause the video, and hopefully it should be clear to you. Thank you.